Ready?
I think so.
Okay. Wow. Are we tired? Welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas. It's Deb and Mom. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
And today is our last day. Can you believe it? We've powered through. We have 12 different treats for you. Did we save the best for last?
I think we did.
We're making a good one for you today. It's an easy recipe too, because that's
The only kind.
Yep, that's how we roll. We're making chocolate covered peanuts. And the wonderful thing is it's all going to be made in your crock pot. So just to kind of recap some of the stuff we've made. What have we made, Mom?
Well, we kind of had chocolate covered almonds.
We did. That's right. We did those.
And we had saltine taffy.
Oh, that toffee is so good. I hope you give that a try. If you haven't, it's amazing.
And peppermint fudge.
Peppermint fudge is good. If you remember the peppermint fudge, I accidentally put yellow food coloring instead of pink. I think I got the hiccups in the middle of the video, but it all worked out. In addition, I actually wrote some down, and this isn't everything, but the peanut butter snowballs that absolutely melt in your mouth. The red velvet crinkle cookies, those are so good. We made Grinch cupcakes, we made Christmas wreath cupcakes, and today,
chocolate covered peanuts.
yep. So let's get started. This is so easy. You're gonna laugh at this one. And all the ingredients, all the measurements are below, but this is a 32-ounce jar of peanuts. They're roasted peanuts and lightly salted.
I know that was pretty hard.
Yeah, that was pretty hard. Into the crock pot they go. Mom, let me walk through this really quick. So some of the other things we're going to need: candy coating. We're going to use peanut butter chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, and dark chocolate. All this is going to get layered in. So I'm going to trade you places.
Okay.
And if you could... I don't know if you can break that or if you're going to have to cut it. And I'm going to steal this. Okay. So, such a difficult recipe, right? There's really no rhyme or reason other than the white chocolate bark that goes on top. So, we're going to layer in the dark chocolate. So, there's one. And we also have peanut butter morsels. Crockpots on low. That goes in. And sweet, semi-sweet chocolate morsels. And that goes in. I mean, how tough is this, right? It makes a ton. But this is great for cookie trays and exchanges, all that good stuff. And if you could just lay that right on top. How easy is this, right? Gotta love a simple recipe. We'll clean that up in a sec. So now the only thing we need to do is put the lid on. Every 15 minutes, we're going to stop and stir. So this will take an hour for this to melt. Could you do it in the microwave? Absolutely. Could you do it on the stovetop with a double broiler? Sure. I don't personally prefer the stovetop method because if you get, as we know, because we've been doing this for a while, any sort of moisture in chocolate, it seizes. And
It does.
once it seizes, it's over. And so I'll be back. I'll show you how we're doing as it melts. And we'll see you in a little bit.
Put my timer on.
Mom's got her timer on 15 minutes. We're good. Okay, guys, it's been 15 minutes and we're going to ready for the first stir. So Mom's going to give it a stir. And just like when we're doing this in the microwave, it looks like it might not be melted, but you can see when you scooch down to the very bottom and lift it, there's some melting going on. So we're gonna let that do its thing, finish stirring it up really good, and give it another 15 minutes. Okay, we skipped the second time just to show you, but this is what it looks like now. This is the third stirring. So it's been in the crock pot for 45 minutes. And doesn't that look absolutely luscious and beautiful? Notice Mom's being really careful to scrape the chocolate off the bottom of the crock pot, because that way we know it's not going to scorch. So anyway, another 15 minutes and we'll be ready to put these little candies together. Okay, my friends, we've been working away. Our chocolate was ready to go, so we went ahead and started portioning it out. As you can see, it makes a ton. And I did lick my fingers once, and I can tell you, this is tasty. Less is more, so smaller peanut clusters are better than big giant peanut clusters, because it's such a rich treat. You don't really need a whole lot. So keep that in mind when you're using the little ice cream scoops for this. Works out great. You could also use 2 spoons. Either way works fine. We went ahead and started because, like I said, that's a lot of candies. And what we'll do when we're done is we're going to take these and we're going to freeze them. We're going to put them in individual like candy bags, and just makes a really great gift. And we're almost done. I figured that you guys have seen us do this more than once here, so. And I'm going to have to count up how many candies we have. In fact, I'll do that while. There we go. Oops, now I got one big giant candy while Mom is finishing up here. Hang tight with me for just a moment. Okay guys, this made 80 treats, so great to give as gifts. We're gonna pop this in the freezer. We're gonna let these harden up really nicely, and we'll be back with everyone to say goodbye. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you more in a bit. Hey guys, ready, smile? Take 2. We're trying this again. It's Deb from Bowl Me Over. You're gonna hear some little twittering foots in the background, and that's our dogs walking around, but we wanted to come in and just wish everyone a happy holiday. We have some of our treats out here. In fact, if you guys want to try one, go right ahead. But we have, this is just half of the ones that we've made, which were the Christmas wreaths. We have peanut butter snowballs. We have the red velvet crinkle cookies, the peanuts that we made, Biscoff. Yep, Biscoff fudge. We have our Christmas trees, our peanut butter blossoms, and more chocolate covered peanuts. So there is a treat for everybody.
I believe those are almonds.
Oh, those are the almonds. See, we have everything. We have something for everyone. And so now we're gonna package this up and we're gonna gift it in our neighborhood. But wanted to come back in and say, guys, thanks so much for watching the 12 Days of Christmas. This has been super fun this year, and we're so appreciative of you tuning in and watching and all the comments, all the things. Thank you very much. Happy holidays
Merry
to you.
Christmas.
Festivus for the rest of us.
We'll see you next year.